Almost all WordPress themes offer an option to add a featured image in WordPress posts, but depending on the theme, it's the images you should choose to display in each post. For example, if you're using a new design trend, you'll probably be forced to change all the featured images to make everything look good. However, it can be very tedious to have to remove thousands of images. That's why we want to show you how to remove featured images from all posts. To do this, we'll use the Posts, Pages, and Custom Post Type Spreadsheet plugin. This is a plugin that makes it completely easy to manage your posts, pages and custom post types, as it is really easy to use and helps you save time by allowing you to manage all posts in a simple, but powerful spreadsheet that allows you to search and apply changes in a matter of seconds. You'll find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you can find the link to our written guide. We know that you don't always want to modify all your posts, so we'll show you how to use the search tool. Once opened, you'll see different options to filter your posts such as by keyword, author, category, tag, format, and you can even enable the advanced filters for more search options. In this case, we'll filter all posts containing the keyword fashion. So we'll enter the word here and run the search. Once you have filtered the posts you want to remove the featured image from, let's use the bulk edit tool to do so. Once the tool is open, select this option to edit the result from our search. Then, look for the field featured image. Select the clear value option here. And, execute to remove the featured images from all filtered posts. It's really easy to remove featured images from your posts with the Posts, Pages, and Custom Post Type Spreadsheet plugin. The best part is that you don't need to use any snippets, and it can be done in seconds. Remember that you will find the link to download this plugin in the video description, as well as the link to visit our written guide. We have live chat support on our website in case you need extra help. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.